Hello students, let us begin class 6th mathematics. Herein I have brought the content of class 6 maths. The first chapter is knowing our numbers. The second chapter is whole numbers. Third chapter is playing with numbers. Fourth chapter is basic geometrical ideas. Fifth chapter is understanding elementary shapes. Chapter 6 is integers. Chapter 7 is fractions. Chapter 8 is decimals. Chapter 9 is data handling. Chapter 10 is mensuration. Chapter 11 is algebra. Chapter 12 is ratio and proportion. Chapter 13 is symmetry. And chapter 14 is practical geometry. Of these 14 chapters, few of the chapters I'll be teaching and the remaining will be taught by two other teachers. Myself, I'm Kiran Kumar. I'll be teaching the first chapter, knowing our numbers. We know and we use different numbers in our day-to-day life. The numbers are the symbols used for counting and measuring the objects. For example, 4 books cost rupees 75. Here 4 as well as 75, these are the numbers. My dad bought this TV for rupees 15,000. This 15,000 is again a number. A batsman hits 150 runs for 110 balls. Here 150 and 110, they are again numbers. If you look at the number 4, it is having one digit. Number 75 has got two digits. Number 15,000 has got five digits. Number 150 and 110, they have got three digits each. So each of the numbers are formed by sum of the digits. A group of digits denoting a number is called as a numeral. Writing numbers in words is called numeration, and we use digits for making the numeral and enumeration. The digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So totally there are 10 digits to form any number. All the numbers are formed by these 10 digits. These are also called as figures. Look at these pictures here. In the first picture, how many birds are there? In the second picture, how many persons are there? In the third picture, how many trees are there? If you count the number of birds here, we get the answer for the first question. The number of birds are 8. And the number of persons are 6. And the number of trees are here, there are 4 trees plus there is another tree, 5. Here the most important thing to be observed is what is common in these three statements. The common thing which is there in these three statements is how many. This how many refers to counting. When we ask how many, it means we need to count and tell how many are there. So these are the counting numbers. We use 8, 6, 5 and so on as a number for counting the things. Such type of numbers are also called as natural numbers. So the natural numbers are the counting numbers. We use symbols for representing counting numbers. We have come across Roman numerals. Numerals in English are the numerals in our own mother tongue. These symbols used for representing Numbers are called numerals, and few of the numerals I have brought it here. They are Indo-Arabic, which are there in English. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are the digits in Hindi or Devanagari. शून्य एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ. These are in other languages. In Telugu we have సున్నా ఒకటి రెండు మూడు నాలుగు ఐదు ఆరు ఏడు ఎనిమిది 9. In Kannada we have ಸೊನ್ನೆ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಐದು ಆರು ಏಳು ಎಂಟು ಒಂಬತ್ತು, like that. We do represent the natural numbers using a letter n. This capital letter n refers to natural numbers. When we look at the set here, it contains the numbers right from 1. So here 1 is the smallest natural number. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is followed by the dots. It indicates that these are infinite in number. It is uncountable. So we cannot predict the largest natural number. So there is no largest natural number over here. Whenever we add 1, we get successor of the given natural number. If I say 10 is the natural number, the 11th number is obtained by adding 1. By subtracting 1, you do get a number which is called as a predecessor. For example, the predecessor of 100 is 99. And there is no predecessor of 1 in a set of natural numbers because it starts from 1. We have learned to compare the numbers. The comparison can be of two types. The first type is when the number of digits are different. We all know that the number with most number of digits is the largest number by magnitude, and the number with the least number of digits is the smallest number. Consider the example 22, 123, 9, 345, 3005. Here the largest number is 3005 because it has got the highest number of digits. Here the number of digits are 4. Similarly, the smallest natural number over here is 9 because it has got only one digit. So depending on the number of digits, we can compare numbers. The other way of comparison is when the same number of digits are there. When the same number of digits are there, we know to compare by looking at the digits from the leftmost digit. If the highest number is highest digit is there in the leftmost, it is the largest. If the same number of digits are there and if the same digit is there, we go to the next leftmost and so on. Look at an example here. 340, 347, 560, 280, 265. We look at the leftmost. Here it is 2, here it is 2, here it is 5, here it is 3, here it is 3. So there is a number 560 which has got the largest digit. So the largest number is 560 and the smallest is 265. Because on comparison with 265 and 280, we have to look at the next digit, which is 8 and 6. In this, 6 is the smaller one. So 6 is considered So 265 is the smallest number over here. This is how we compare the given numbers. That's all for today's session. Thank you.